Here at Dorman, our principal goal is to help our clients sleep well at night knowing that an expert is managing their property.
Dorman Management is a residential property management firm that strives daily to be leaders in our industry and to set the standard for professionalism and integrity. Every day our intent is to provide our clients with a quality service and to continually work on ways to bring them more value.
Every time we screen prospective tenants, we obtain rental references from past landlords and pull a detailed report, which provides us with credit history, eviction history, and a 50-state criminal background check. We also secure all tenants in an attorney-drafted lease agreement specifically designed to protect our property owners from liability while still offering tenants a fair and equitable contract. We also conduct thorough property condition reports before and after each tenant, and we complete general condition photo surveys at lease renewal, which we send to our clients for some added peace of mind.
We're not in this business because something else didn't work out. We're in this business because we love what we do, and we're constantly refining and redefining our craft.
Dorman provides full-time rental home bookkeeping for our homeowners. This includes monthly and yearly reporting, and we send out 1099 tax forms so homeowners can easily write off rental property expenses. We list all of our properties on over 100 websites, including the Realtor Multiple Listing Service. And to top it off, we provide a 24/7 maintenance emergency hotline.
Being a landlord can be very challenging and demanding. Here at Dorman, our homeowners truly sleep well, knowing that their investment is well looked after by a true property management expert.
Why trust one of your biggest investments with anyone other than an expert, and anyone less than the best? Dorman Management, the art of real estate, the science of success.